Today we talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on edit profile, click on it here. So when you click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just come here to upload a photo. You just click on it. So then here you click on allow, then it's going to take you to add or change your photo profile. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.